Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Woke Community. So, today, where I teach you how to style your mermaid braid in different styles, I want us to talk about something that has been sitting on my mind for a while now. Well, we're going to be talking about Snapchat filters and that Snapchat lotion that has been trendy. But before we talk about that, I want to share like a personal experience or story with us. So, May 17th this year, I deactivated my Snapchat account for a reason, which I'll be spilling. And June 11th, I got a mail from Snapchat that in 5 days' times from now, my account was going to be permanently deleted. Now, here's the wild part. Majority of the times, when we want to take pictures, nobody goes to the default camera that is with our phone. Everybody is using an app to take pictures or make videos. Research shows that while filters can make us confident for a second, they often leave us less satisfied with how we actually look. In fact, psychology now talk about something called Snapchat dysmorphia. People wanting to get cosmetic surgery just to look like their filtered selfies. Can we pause for a second? There's literally a Snapchat lotion, a skincare product branded from a filter. Like, how did we even get here? Of course, the marketing strategy was you no longer need a filter to make your snaps. So they know that there is this effect people have using Snapchat filters, and they decided to create a product out of it and tell you that you no longer need a beauty filter because they will be making a product that's going to give you that lighting effect. And what even came to my notice was it brings intense lighting to your skin and how they are going to innovate the African beauty. It tells you that we ourselves are the target audience when it comes to product like this. This was when it hit me that filters aren't just fun anymore. They are shaping how we buy, how we think, and how we see beauty itself. And don't get me wrong, filters are not totally bad because you see funny filters that comedians used to make skits that make us laugh because of the funny effect. That could be understood, but I want us to think deep before we actually carry Snapchat or any app with filters and ask ourselves, do you just use filters for fun or do you reach for them because you don't feel enough that day? And how often do you forget that they are just tools and not the truth? Now, this boils down to why I deleted Snapchat. It wasn't about me hating filter, it was about me realizing I didn't want my confidence to be dependent on them. I want to love my bare face as much as I love a filtered one. At the end of the day, beauty filters can be fun, but they can also trap us in false standard. I choose to step away, not to reject beauty, but to redefine it in my own terms. So next time you open Snapchat or Instagram, pause and ask yourself, am I using this because I want to play or because I don't feel beautiful without it? That awareness alone can change everything. I want you to know beauty is not a filter, beauty is you. Now, if you can relate to what I'm saying, kindly comment below your experience when it comes to Snapchat filters. So, are you actually using the Snapchat filters just for fun, or you feel a little bit insecure about your skin or your beauty? Now, know that this community we are here to educate and encourage you. So, kindly drop a comment about your experience when it comes to filters. We've come to the end of today's video. Kindly subscribe and turn on your post notification button so you get notified every single time a video is uploaded on our community channel, and do well to engage on this video by liking it as well and dropping a comment. And remember, as your skincare big sister, I am always here to ensure you make proper and right decision when it comes to your skin health and your hair health. Till we meet again, bye guys.